Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to keep map north up on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to keep the Google Maps north direction always upward on your Google Maps application, first open up your Google Maps over here on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on the profile picture icon at the top right corner of the screen. And over here, tap on the settings option over here just below your data in maps, and you land on this interface. Scroll down to the bottom and you'll find the navigation settings over here just above manage your preferences. Tap on navigation settings, and from over here scroll down a little bit and you will find the keep map north up option available for us. This will basically, guys, keep the north always up on your Google Maps. So in order to turn it on, if it was off, simply tap on the toggle icon at the right side of that option. And with that being done, guys, your maps north directions will be upward on Google Maps. And the guys, is how to keep map north up on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.